Hello guys! Now my friend is going to cook adas. This is adas. And this one is onion and chili. Filfil in Arabic. And this one is ginger and garlic. Nor cubes. Tomato. Shoo hada. Hada shoo. What is this? Arabic, okay. Arabic. Bakdunas. I don't know in English what is bakdunas. And this one is black pepper, paprika, and shoo hada habibi? Gabrini hada shoo. Kazbara. وهذه شو؟ سنوت. سنوت. I don't know what سنوت. Gilgilan. This one? Kurkum. Okay, guys. Oh my God, Habibi. You are very good cook. Chili? Yeah. Chili. Garlic and ginger. Garlic and ginger, yeah? Okay, show what more. شو هذا؟
نعمل كل شيء نص.
Half spoon. Tomato. That's it?
خلي شوية طماط عادي. احنا ندير نحط عدس بس انا شوية اخلي ماي شوية يتسبك.
What does that mean?
I don't know بس شوية ما عارفة
We are going to put the adas. That's adas.
Dal.
Dal. In Arabic, yeah?
Indian.
Indian. But it tastes
خلي شوية
delicious.
بسط عليه ماي.
Huh?
شوي وبسط عليه ماي.
Okay, and then after that, she is going to put water.
نحط ماي.
Okay, now she is going to put the water. Put more water, I think.
شوية.
That's enough.
شوية بس إذا يبغى ولا لا. بس هنا.
The water is enough or you will add more?
عادي إذا بعدين تبيني تزيدينه بتزيدينه في أي وقت بس أنا أشوف شوية خلاص.
How many minutes you will cook this?
بس نص ساعة. نص ساعة.
30 minutes? You will cook it for 30 minutes?
نص ساعة.
Okay. Okay. شو هذا كزبرة؟ Ayan guys, tapos na ang ating Arabic recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang recipe ng friend ko. So, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!